Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to make a PNG file online. What we're gonna do is have an image like this and remove the background, so it will be like this. This is perfect for creating overlays on other images, videos, or text where you want a transparent background. To make a PNG transparent, we're going to use a tool called Photo or PNG Maker, and it's free online. I'll put the link in the description below. You don't need to download any software onto your computer. You can just go straight to this website and use it for free. And even if you did not sign up, no watermark will be added to your PNG. First, hit the Make PNG Now button. Then please upload the image that you want to turn into a PNG transparent file. It supports JPG, JPEG, PNG, and WebP format. After you upload your image, the PNG Maker will automatically remove the background from the image without any manual operation. Here you can see the before and after. Click the Download Preview button. You can get the PNG transparent file instantly, and it's totally free, without a watermark and no quantity limit. You can go to the folder on your computer to check it. That's all for today's video. Come to quickly make a PNG file for free. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys will like this tip. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips. See you in the next video.